Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a product to review. Have you seen those Instagram sponsors things that you get in your stories about your Blackhead Vacuum Remover? Well, I purchased that and it came in the mail. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to do a little bit of unwrapping here. Oh my god, this is very well wrapped. This is a multifunctional cleaning instrument. It comes in a box like this. It comes with different blackhead sizes. There's this one that I feel like it's more to go in the corners of your nose or somewhere more precise. There is this one, which is kind of like the one it comes with already. There's this one which is kind of like narrow there on the tip, maybe for the tip of your nose. And there's this one that comes with this metal thing on it, which maybe this is for all over your face. Maybe the metal protects your face. It comes with the USB charger, which is awesome because you just connect this like in your phone charger thing and it should work. I wonder if it's charged. Okay, and you hear that? It has different levels. 3 levels. How do I turn it off? Oh my god. Okay, you just hold it. So what I'm gonna do, it recommends to steam your face first. So I have my steamer getting ready. I've already washed my face, so I'm just gonna steam myself. You can do this with your steamer, or if you don't have a steamer, you can do this right when you get out the shower. You can also just warm up a pot of water and just put your face on there. And I don't really have that much blackheads. I just want to clean my nose area a little bit more because I feel like when I wear makeup it's not that clean. It doesn't apply that clean. It says move from top to bottom. Do not stay in the same place. This can cause redness in the skin. It is recommended to use with the derived lotion or formula with warm water and cleaning area before you do this. That's how we're steaming our face. Okay, so I think we're nice and well steamed. I'm gonna turn off the steam. This is what the face looks like. I have a couple of blackheads here, some scarring there. And we're gonna see how well. I am just irritated here from wearing a mask a lot. We'll see how well this does. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in level 1. Okay, that didn't really do much. Let's do number 2. Number 3. You guys, can you see that dirt that's there? It did clean out a bit. I'm gonna continue. Oh, I got stuck. Oh, it's stuck to my lip. Oh, that hurt. I'm gonna switch the knob and do the rest of my face. It hurts. Number 3 hurts. I'm gonna just... It says to pull at your skin. Number 3 hurts, so number 1 is fine for me. Oh, that hella hurt. And this is level 1. And sometimes it's easy to pull, but sometimes it's not. My face is gonna be hella red. Alright. I supposedly washed my face. And let's see how dirty this thing comes out. Alright. That is gonna be it for me today. My face is very red and sore. I don't know if you guys can see, just so that you guys can see that dirt and junk. It's nasty. For my nose, it cleared a bit. I've never done this to my face, so I might need to do it more than once. But I'm gonna see if my boyfriend lets me do it on him, because he has some blackheads as well. Okay, so this is his nose. Okay, so as you see, we have a little bit of blackheads, and let's see how well that's gonna clean. This is so exciting.
Don't suck my face.
Alright. That's level 1. Not bad, right?
No, I don't feel anything.
Okay, level 2.
Okay, I'm starting to feel something.
So I'm gonna go over it fast. Okay, you think you can do level 3? Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna try this one, which is gonna be a little bit thinner, and see if I can go a little bit more precise. Whoa.
What?
This is awesome. Wait, get close.
Well.
I don't know if you guys can see, it just lifts up hella dirt. I think you have to use it more than once, but you see those little, you see how it lifted up?
Yeah, I'll probably have to use it like a couple more times, but
you got bruised a bit there.
You bruised me. Nah.
I can do the rest of your face if you like.
The rest of my face?
No, it's gonna hurt
Man,
you.
I got a pretty face, huh?
Alright, you're good to go. Bye. So anyways, this was 30 bucks. It comes with multiple heads. One thing, I feel it works pretty good. Your face just go slow at it and make sure you kind of steam it before doing it. But one thing I would have liked, which it doesn't have, is instructions on what the heads are for. Like, there's a whole bunch of them. I feel it's a really good product. In order to see some results, you might have to do it more than once. Maybe twice a week. Your face does get kind of red. I had a pimple here which kind of opened up the pore there, so hopefully that disappears soon. Anyways, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm about to clean this and sanitize it with alcohol because that's what it said to do on the site. This, I got it from PoreCleanser.com. I will link it down below if you guys are interested and want to check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, bye.